Hello, and welcome back to the Crypto Bull channel. I am your host, William, and this is the channel where you guys come to find the most amazing projects out there in the cryptoverse. And today, guys, I got a meme token for you fine people that just appeared, which according to all the best rumors and a number of strange coincidences is associated with the founding team of Pepe himself. Guys, we're talking about Raccoon coin. Oh yeah, that's right. It's a raccoon, and I love it. All right, guys, we raid fast. We raid fast. All right, they raid fast. Guardians of the meme, guys. This is it. Before I get started, remember, I am not a financial advisor. Don't claim to be. Never will, never have. This is not a financial advice channel. We're here to bring you the best projects and let you know about them and give you the goods. But other than that, if you're going to spend your own money, you need to talk to a professional. I recommend that person's licensed. All right, guys, let's dive into this. Another thing. Down below, there is a description box. And in that description box, you can find all the links, all the good stuff, all the details, anything that's really important. That's where you need to go. All right, and right next to that is a subscribe button. Click that, please. And right next to that is a notification bell, so you're notified of all our future videos. Definitely click that. And if you like this video at the end, click the like button. And if you didn't like it, click the dislike button. Either way, it helps us out with the algorithm. Thank you. All right, guys, let's take a gander at this amazing project. Raccoon coin. All right, let's see. We're going from cute to cute. Doesn't really change much. Cute. I like that one better. But that one's kind of fun. All right, we got Shiba. Oh, we got some memes going on there. All right, don't press the wrong button. Buy et wuff. All right, can we click any of these? We can. Don't press the wrong button. I love it. All right, guys, USD value has raised, including pool liquidity, from 1 million to just over 2 million. Wow, man, that's great. We've got use of the widget. All right, you pay ETH, and then you receive, you can connect your wallet. You guys know how to do all that good stuff. There's a transfer address, all the usual stuff. Remember, all the links are in the description for all the stuff I'm going over. Raccoon coin sale tiers. All right, guys, so we've got 8% will be sold to partners who will build Raccoon with us, so you guys can get on that. There's a private sale, 12% part of the RNC, that's their token, guys, will be distributed in the private round among private investors. They have an auction. The hot auction will decide the fate of 20% of the RNC supply. And then the listing price, guys, is popping up a little bit from 20 times to 150 times the listing price of RCN on DEX and CEX exchanges after all rounds are completed. Token is tradable now, guys. No taxes, no bullshit. It's that simple. LP tokens are burnt and contract ownership is renounced. I dig it. Make meme coin great again. So we got Musk, we got Trump, and we got that beautiful raccoon. RCN powered by Ethereum. Let's check them out on Certec, shall we? All right, Certec, here we go. Oh, we got 51.06 security score, guys. Pretty good. We got some serious stuff going on here. We got the code, fundamentals. It's a low on the maturity indicator. All right. Token transferred to $1,200. All right, guys. Active user geography. Where are we going here? Looks like North America for the most part. A little bit of Africa in there. Pretty good. Coin info. One audit is available. And you can see their website and all that stuff. Remember, all the links have the goods, so check them out. What do we got here? We got a community. We got the governance. We got, all right, category score 78.09. Looking good, guys. Fundamentals, we checked that out. Let's head on back. Let's see what we got. All right, the tokenomics. Ecosystems 37%, 14% airdrops. They got 4% liquidity, 2% advisory, 20% auction, 12% private sale, 8% contributors, 3% funds. All right, guys, definitely go to the website. Again, it's in the description, and check this out in more detail. Stay for a while, and yeah, definitely study up. Because in a very short period of time, these guys collected $1 million of liquidity from funds and exchanges. So, listing on CX exchanges is guaranteed, homies. The very fact that an unknown project from out of nowhere attracted that kind of attention of major players at an early stage, that confirms the connection with PayPay, the meme, guys. So definitely something to keep in mind. And guys, the Raccoon coin is currently undergoing its first round of public funding that anyone can participate in. And yes, that means you, anyone. All right, sounds good. So there's the airdrop game total balance. You got 36,926 total players, 136 online today, and 8 online. Shut up and take my money. If you hold RCN until the airdrop, you will additionally receive PayPay, Meme, Shiba, and Lucky. Nice. Get the airdrop. Go ahead and get that and get in on that. Featured in all the good stuff like Techopedia and crypto news. You got the roadmap. I like that. That is a raccoon riding an alligator. You don't see that every day. And you got the frequently asked questions. How do you buy it? Steps to purchase, and do you have a cryptocurrency wallet? I hope so. And then the American Disposal Service, and there's your raccoon right there. Make RNC. That's a tongue twister. Make RCN great again. Yeah, I like that right. All right, guys. So that is my review of the Raccoon coin. Yeah, the Guardians of Meme. Yeah, guys, definitely check it out. It's in the description. Hook up your links to your clicking button. And yeah, that is my review. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. You guys are amazing, and you know you are. Stay classy. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.